The smartphone industry moves fast, but some rumors move even faster, while people are still debating the current generation of iPhones. Early leaks are already pointing toward a device. Many insiders are calling the iPhone 20, or iPhone XX, expected to arrive around 2027. Several leaks circulating in the tech community suggest Apple is experimenting with an entirely new design philosophy. And if these reports are accurate, the iPhone 20 could look very different from anything we have today. One of the biggest rumors focuses on the display. Apple is reportedly exploring a completely bezel-less screen. The idea is simple but ambitious, removing visible borders entirely, so the display flows seamlessly across the front of the device. Some leaks even suggest the screen could wrap around the edges of the phone. Unlike older curved displays seen on Samsung devices that only curved slightly on the left and right sides, this design could extend around the entire frame. To support this futuristic design, Apple is rumored to be testing a new COEO LED display technology. These panels are thinner and more power efficient than current OLED screens. Because the display layer becomes thinner, it allows more components to sit underneath it. That design change could help Apple push battery life further, while also enabling hidden sensors beneath the screen. Another major change could involve the front camera and Face ID system. Leaks suggest Apple is working toward an under-display Face ID system, meaning the sensors responsible for facial recognition would sit completely beneath the screen. If that happens, the dynamic island may disappear entirely. The front-facing selfie camera could also move under the display. When you are watching videos or browsing content, the camera and sensors would remain invisible. Only when needed would that portion of the screen activate and reveal the camera area. Camera technology may see another major leap as well. Reports claim Apple could design its own HDR camera sensor from scratch instead of relying entirely on third-party suppliers. Similar to how Apple designs its own chips and modems, this move would give the company more control over image processing and hardware performance. The physical design of the phone could also change dramatically. Because of the curved glass structure, Apple may remove traditional buttons completely. Instead, touch-sensitive controls could appear along the sides of the display. Battery technology could improve as well. Apple is rumored to be exploring silicon anode battery technology, which allows more energy to be packed into the same physical battery size. In addition to this, the iPhone 20 could introduce a new memory system designed for artificial intelligence tasks. Instead of relying only on traditional memory like LPDDR5X, leaks suggest Apple may add HBM AI memory dedicated specifically to AI processing. If current reports prove accurate, the iPhone the 20th of May arrive in 2027, possibly starting around $1,199 or higher, depending on configuration. That's all about the upcoming iPhone 20 for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the